So the goose meat, it's been marinating for nearly 3 days in the fridge. Just tipped it into a sieve to drain off, then just laying it out on some kitchen roll, and we're just going to pat it dry before we put it in the Ninja air fryer. You don't have to leave it 3 days if you don't have time or you can't wait. I find it does take the flavours in better. That much meat here, I need a kitchen roll. So I'll just fold that over like that. Just take some of the moisture out of it. So you can put a layer of the meat in the bottom of the air fryer, then put the grill on top and another layer on there. That works fine. So there we have one layer in the bottom. I've kind of packed it in a bit because I've got so much meat to use. It shrinks up as it cooks, so it will get plenty of spaces between it. Then put a layer on the rack. Ideally you don't want it overlapping, but as I say, I'm not going to fully dehydrate mine right out. It'll keep for a few weeks in the fridge. Wrapped in cling film seems to keep it best. Just wrap it up in small batches, just whatever's convenient for you to eat or take out at a time. So I'm just going to place the bottom tray in that, on that, as such. Put it in the air fryer. Switch it on. Go to the dehydrate setting. 60 degrees. Yeah, I found 60 is fine. Then I'm not going to sink the drawers or match them. I'm just going to get on with getting this one cooked. So the time, that's 6 hours. I've found 3.5 hours for me. So put that on now, and after an hour or so, just take it out, turn the meat over, back in, maybe turn it again. So I've had to really overlap it and pile it in to fit it all in. That's just how it worked out with that batch of meat. well, it was 2 goose breasts. So it's all overlapped, but that'll be okay. It will space out as it cooks and shrinks up. Just that tray in there. That's the second one. So we'll set drawer number 2. Again, dehydrate setting. £60 Celsius. Time 3.5 hours again. There you go. And you get the aromas coming out of the back of the Ninja nearly right away. Lovely.